Okay, class, we're going to work through lesson 6-9. Lesson 6-9 is about shopping. Okay? It doesn't have to be shopping. It's not just talking to the girls here. Because boys, I know you like to shop. I've seen your shoes, your basketball shoes, your All right? So, what we're talking about now is sale price. Do you like to buy things on sale?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, of course. So, we're talking about what if you were to make the shoes? What if it was Keyshawn's shoes? Or it was Henry's shoes? Alright? A company makes shoes, and then they mark them up so that they make a profit. Right? Here's how it works. Here's how it works. The markup amount is or the profit is the selling price, how much they sold it for. Maybe it's $100. The selling price is $100 minus the cost to produce it. All right? Maybe they made the shoe for $25. What is the markup then? $75. Okay? Now, many times what they'll give you is a percentage of markup. Okay? An increase in and you'll have to find the cost or the markup amount based on the percentage. All right? So, look at this model. This is going to help you figure out where the numbers go. Again, the cost to produce it, that's what the cost means, is a certain amount. Okay? If you add the markup, that equals the selling price. Okay? So, if you mark up, if there's a 67% markup of the selling price, or I'm sorry, of the cost, then that will equal the amount of markup. Okay? Let's look at some examples of this. In your book, open up to lesson 6-9. Let's say that a computer store pays $6 to buy a mouse for a computer, and the percent of markup is 75%. Find the selling price. So, in this example, a computer store pays $6. That's the cost, is $6 plus 75%. I'm sorry, the markup amount is 75%. How much is the selling price? What would we have to find? We'd have to find 75% of $6, right?
Yeah.
So, what is the whole? The whole is $6. What is 75%? If we're using that model, we're finding 75% of $6, right? So, there's two ways to do that. One is to use 0.75 for 75%, and then multiply it by $6 to find 75% of $6. Or set it up as a proportion. 75 out of 100 is equal to n out of 6. And then cross multiply and divide. So anytime you're finding a percent of a number, remember those percent equations we worked on a couple lessons ago? You can use the decimal form. 75% is what as a decimal? 0.75, right? Move the decimal place 2 places back. Or divide the number by what? To move the decimal point 2 places back, divide the number by 100. Okay? 75% of 6. How would you use your calculator then to find that? 75% of 6. Michael? 4.5. Now, in terms of money, what is that amount? $4.50. Now, since we're adding that amount, where would that go on our chart? That's the markup, isn't it? So write $4.50 there and add $6 plus $4.50 equals $10.50. That equals the selling price. The cost plus the markup. How do we find the markup? Well, we know that 75% of the cost equals the markup. So we had to find 75% of 6. Okay? Pay close attention here, guys. You have to add that markup amount to what, Troy?
No, to
the cost. All right? Focus. Isaac.
So is N the markup or the selling price?
Is the end. What do you mean the end?
Like 75
Variable.
100 N over 6. Is that supposed to be the markup for the $.50?
That's this. That's
Okay,
75%. So that is the markup amount. Okay? That's the markup amount. Now, to find percentages also can help you find the discount amount. Alright? Now we're talking sale price. Now we're talking shopping. Let's say that something is 25% off. What does that mean? If a shoe is $95 in the regular price, and it's on sale for 25% off, how do we find the discount price? How do we find the sale price? Or the amount of discount? How much off is it? 25%. What's the actual dollar amount? Well, look at this model. If this is the regular price, $95, and that's 100%, then there's a discount amount of what? 25%. What's the remaining percent? 100%, 25% off. What's the remaining percent, Henry? 75%. Right? So there's two ways to find this answer. One way is to find 25% of 95. How would we do that before? Remember what we did last time? Change 25% to a decimal, which is 0.25, and multiply that by 95. Do that right now. Did anybody do that already? Isaac? What did you get?
$23.25.
23.25.
It's 75 cents.
Oh, 75 cents?
Yeah.
23.75?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, that is the amount of discount, isn't it? We can put that right here. 23.75. Now, how do we find the discount price then? The sale price. John?
The sale price, you would then do the top number divided by the bottom number.
Yeah, the regular price, 95 minus the discount, which equals what?
$71.25.
$71.25.
Yes, I got this.
Okay. So that's one way to find it. We can find the discount amount and then subtract it from the regular price. How could we use the remaining percent to find the sale price? What if we just use the remaining percent to find the sale price? Come on, people. What did 0.25 give us? That's the amount off. What would 0.75 give us?
Remaining.
The remaining amount, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So if we found 75% of 95, 95 times what?
75.
Not 75, 0.75. That gives us what?
Hold on.
Find it.
Oh, someone.
Yeah, that's the amount remaining, isn't it? The remaining percent is going to give us the amount remaining. Just like the amount off, 25%, gives us the amount off. The percent off gives us the amount off. Okay? Any questions? Isaac?
We have to show our work.
Yes, you have to show your work.
Did you get that?
Absolutely. You
Yeah.
have to show your work. All right? And use these models. Turn your page to number 5. Page 335, number 5. We're going to do this one together. This will be part of your homework assignment. So, at Beach Gear, the store, a beach store pays $11.40 for each beach umbrella. The store's markup is 75%. What is the cost first? How would we fill up? And I want you to copy this model for number 5. Copy this model for number 5 and put the numbers in the right place. $11.40 is what? Chase.
My notebook's all filled up because sometimes I get my own.
No. Just do number 5, Chase. Where would $11.40 go on our model? What is that? No, it's not the markup. It says the store pays $11.45 for an umbrella. So that's the store's what?
Oh.
That's the store's, that's the store's cost. Thank you. That's the store's cost. Now, they're going to mark it up. What?
It says $11.40.
Yeah, $11. Oh, $11.40. Sorry. Then they're going to mark it up. What?
75%.
75%. So what do you need to do? What do you need to find? The markup. How?
Times 11.40 by 0.75.
Good. 75% of this, of the cost, is the markup. We need to find the markup amount. So we need to do 1140 times 0.75. Do that right now. What is that? 8.55. $8.55. What is $8.55? That's the markup amount. So that goes up here. $8.55. Or we could put it here, but I already wrote some stuff there. Okay. What is the selling price then? What is the selling price? James? $19.95. $19.95. Good.
Wait, no.
Dylan.
1140.
Okay. Dylan, you have a question? Okay. Let's do number 21 together. Store A is selling video, or selling a video for 20% off the store's regular price of $25.95. Store B is selling the same video for 30% off their regular price of $29.50. Which store's sale price is lower? And how much lower? Draw these models. Let's say that this represents 100%, so their regular price. Each store's regular price. Okay? Now, what is store A's regular price? Someone say it.
29.
$25.95. What's store's B regular price? Henry?
$29.50.
$29.50. Right?
Yep.
Now, store A is discounting it 20% off. And store B is taking 30% off. So what is the remaining percent of store A?
80%.
80%. We could use that and find 80% of the regular price. What is the remaining percent of store B? 70%. So we could use that, but the question is, how much lower? So we may want to also find these numbers. Okay? I'm going to let you finish that one for homework then. And I want you to do 5 through 21 for tomorrow. All 5 through 21.